When it comes to uptime, Volvo knows that fast, safe service makes all the difference. This machine was completely redesigned for easier maintenance. We've added a new electric switch for the engine hood, which now opens wide to give great and safe access to the entire engine bay. The engine oil and fuel filter are now cartridge type, improving uptime, reducing total cost of ownership, and making recycling easier. The new electric service center makes maintenance easier and safer than ever. We have an ISO battery jump start. We have a battery disconnection switch. We have a battery health checkpoint for easier maintenance. Safety access is built into the design, with full walkways, anti-slip surface, and anchor points for safety harness. For daily operators checks, we now have a service access area in front of the cabin, making it easy to inspect fluids before starting each shift. Integrated working lights keep service area visible, even in low light conditions. Everything about this new design helps reduce downtime and keep your fleet moving. This is Volvo Serviceability, smarter, safer, and built to maximize uptime.